Alright, I got another set of Maverickman carbon SAP grills in recently. So we'll go ahead and do an unboxing. Alright, this is what you'll see when you open up the box. Get your stickers generally along with it, a little flyer detailing a lot of the products. And we'll go ahead and get these unwrapped. These are what came in, two of the standard Mavman stickers. This one's certainly going on the car, and one of the cartoon with his wing, and the diffuser that I also have on my car. Like I've shown before in the awful wing unboxing video I made. This is the pamphlet that generally comes with any of the products.